Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to be covering an application that lets you create your own widgets on iOS. Widgetsmith, by acclaimed developer David Smith, allows you to unlock the creative side of you when it comes to organising your home screens. So let's check it out. I've downloaded Widgetsmith here and I'm about to open it for the first time. Now, first and foremost, this application is free, with some in-app purchases to unlock certain features and themes. However, the free features that are on offer are incredibly generous. In fact, I'm going to be showing you the free version today so that you can see exactly what can be unlocked. Okay, we're straight in and there are no welcome screens, there's no preamble, you just get in and play. So this widget screen is going to be where you spend most of your time, and you can create 3 different sizes of widgets: small, medium and large. At the bottom here, we can generate some different coloured wallpapers to help with the aesthetics of your widget, which I'll cover later. And there is one predefined widget in each section, and to add more, simply tap the relevant Add button. So I'll add a small widget here. Then to configure it, tap the widget itself, and we can see how the widget will appear if we were to add this to our home screen. So you can add a timed widget as well, which only appears at certain times of the day, and we'll do that shortly. But for now, I'm going to tap this default widget and look at what else we can set it as. Okay, so we have lots of date and time options and designs here for the small widget. As I scroll, we have some photo widgets that we can add, and anything that is locked behind a premium subscription has a clear padlock icon. Now these are reliant on you having the weather feature unlocked. As I scroll, there's step counter information, which is a recently added feature. If you have an Apple Watch and you use the activity application, then you can have this information displayed in various formats here. Then scrolling further down, there is a weather, battery, calendar, reminders. There's quite a lot of choice. For now though, I think I'm going to add a photo widget. And I'll select this one, a photo that also has the current date overlaid. Okay. Now that's been selected, we need to configure it further. And we can see that the next stage is to select the theme. So I'll tap. And once more, we have some choices here. Some, of course, are locked, but I think I'll select this one, which is index card. And if you like, you can customize the actual theme that you've just applied as well. So I'll tap. And we can see here we can change the font that's applied to the theme. So I'll select this Palatino one. We can change the tint color. I'm going to keep it as is though, because I could be here forever customizing. This is only a tip video. And we can also change the artwork. Now most of these are unlockable with the premium subscription. Then when you click save, you can determine whether the changes you have made to the theme are for this widget only or for all widgets. I'll say it's just this one. And next, we need to select the photo that will be displayed. So the Garrett house, after a year of searching, has finally found a puppy. And I guarantee you're going to be sick of me talking about this soon because I'm so excited, as are my girls. He's 2 weeks old and we get him in the first week of March. So I'll add his photo. I can adjust the alignment of the image as well to make sure it lines up. And then when that's done, I just need to define where the date will appear. I'll leave it at the bottom, I think. Okay, next I need to give this widget a name so that I can easily identify it when I'm selecting the widgets that I want to add to my home screen. So I'll tap, and I'll call this Puppy Photo. And then click Save.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, If you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.